Hi YouTube, welcome to your science lesson for today. And this term we're going to be learning about healthy eating and healthy living. And we're starting off with food groups. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify everyday foods and sort them into different groups. And that is called classifying. What's your favourite food? Mine are crisps. I love crisps so much, guys. But do you think it would be healthy if crisps was all I ever ate? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, crisps, crisps, crisps. I don't think so. You should have a certain amount of food from each food group every day. And it's also really important to remember to have 5 portions of fruit and vegetables. And that is actually one of our food groups, fruit and vegetables. Today, we're going to be looking at all of the food groups and the different types of food in each food group and what they do, what they give our bodies, and why it's so important to have food from a range of different food groups and not just eat crisps all day. So let's start with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy. We need energy to be able to walk, talk, even sleep. We need energy for everything that we do, okay? To be able to do our writing, to be able to do our maths, to be able to go for a run. It's really, really important, carbohydrates. Lots of athletes, so runners and swimmers, eat carbohydrates before a race so that they have energy. And if you look at some of the examples there, we have pasta, potato, rice, and bread. These are just some of the foods that are in the carbohydrate food group. There's something about them. Do you notice anything about these foods? Well done. They're all a similar sort of colour. They're that white, yellowy, beige sort of colour. And that's a good way to be able to identify carbohydrates, okay? So we have pasta, potato, rice and bread. They are all carbohydrates and they give us energy. And we all know that we definitely need energy. It's very, very important. Another food group is fruit and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables provide us with vitamins, and vitamins are really important. They help to keep us fit and healthy. Some of you may even take vitamin tablets, but a natural way of getting all of those vitamins is by eating a lot of fruit and vegetables. You can do both. You can have a vitamin tablet and you can also have fruit and vegetables. And here are some examples. So you have an apple, carrot, banana, broccoli. There are so many different types of fruit and vegetables. They're basically plants. So anything that grows is a fruit or a vegetable. And these are probably one of the most important of the food groups. Ooh, I can sense some eyes lighting up for this one. Fats and sugars. Fats and sugars provide our bodies with energy too. So just like carbohydrates, they also provide us with energy. And our bodies are really clever that they store the energy from fats until we need it for energy. The problem with that though is if we're not really doing much, which might be the case for some of us at the moment, we never use that energy and then it's not very good for us at all. So it's important that we do not eat too much of these things. As I'm sure your parents are always saying to you, you can't have too many sweets. And this is the reason. It can be unhealthy for you, okay? So you can eat some fats and sugars, but not to eat too much, okay? Because our body just stores it. And then if we don't use it up, we can put on quite a bit of weight and become quite unhealthy. We also have our protein food group, okay? So this is meat and fish, and you'll see some other things in there as well. Without protein, you won't have a strong body, because protein helps your muscles to grow and develop. Really, really important, this one as well. And you can get your protein from chicken, from meat, from fish. This is some salmon, some fish fingers there, yum, yum. And some eggs and beans as well. So obviously eggs and beans are not meat or fish, but there is lots of protein in eggs and beans, okay? So meat and fish and eggs and beans, that gives us protein and it keeps us really strong and helps us to grow, especially important for you guys because you're growing all the time. We also have our dairy. This is another type of protein, but it's different, okay? This is dairy and it provides us with calcium. Calcium is so important and it helps keep our bones and teeth strong. Okay, so this is another type of protein, but we call it dairy. So you have protein, meat and fish, and you have protein dairy, which are these things here. Again, these have a similarity, just like our carbohydrates, they also have a white or yellow kind of colour to them, unless obviously there's food colourings involved, like there is with this strawberry yogurt and this delicious looking ice cream. Okay. Are you ready to put some of these different foods into their groups? I'm going to show you and eat some different foods and you need to decide which group they are from. Now, obviously this is an Ed puzzle, so the video will automatically pause and you need to choose which of these groups the food that I'm eating needs to go into. So we have carbohydrates. Remember, those are the yellowy white sort of colour things. You've got pasta, bread, etc. You have proteins, really important for helping our muscles to grow and make sure that we are strong. Fruits and vegetables, which give us our vitamins and are really important for our nutrients. That's anything that grows. Fats and sugars, those are our naughty things that we eat, which we shouldn't eat too much of. And our dairy, which is another type of protein, so our milks and our yogurts and things like that. So let's see if you're ready. We're going to start off with some chicken. Oh, how I wish I was eating that right now. Which food group is our chicken in? Chicken's really important to help our muscles grow. It's a source of what food group? I almost told you then, year 2. Brilliant, well done. Okay, now it's my turn to eat some food. What to start with? I think I'll start off with something healthy. I'm gonna have a grape. What food group is a grape from? Okay, next one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a marshmallow. What food group do you think a marshmallow is in? Okay. Some delicious milk. What food group do you think milk is from? I'll give you a little clue. It's really good for my teeth and my bones. Oh, what's this? It's a carrot. A raw carrot. That means it's not cooked. What food group do you think this is from? Really important, full of vitamins. Oh, I need something to get rid of the taste of that carrot. Although it was very delicious. I think I'll have some yogurt. Yum. What food group is yogurt from? Some plain bread. Delicious. What food group is bread from? Does anyone think I'm going to be sick by the end of this? Okay. What about a tomato? I think tomatoes grow somewhere, full of vitamins. What food group is a tomato in? Okay, I think I need a bit of chocolate. Oh yes. What food group do you think chocolate is in? I'm pretty sure I shouldn't have too much of this. And what's this? It's a raw potato. I'm not going to eat this one though. What food group do you think a potato is in? If I were a runner, an athlete or a swimmer of some kind, I might eat some potatoes before a race because it gives me lots of energy. What food group is a potato in? Cheese! What food group is cheese in? This one can be a bit tricky actually. But I'll give you that clue again. It does make my teeth and bones strong. And what about eggs? Unfortunately, I haven't cooked any eggs to eat, and I'm definitely not going to eat a raw egg, an uncooked egg. What food group is an egg in? This is another tricky one. It's really important to help my muscles grow and to make sure that I am nice and strong. What food groups are eggs in? Oh, what haven't I eaten? Oh, pasta! We can look at the colour of this pasta, which might help me work out what food group it's in. It's not cooked. Don't eat raw pasta, guys. It's not very nice at all. Okay, what food group is pasta in? And what about some nice salmon? Salmon is a type of fish, and this is some cooked salmon. What food group is salmon in? Again, I might eat some of this before a race. Or if I was training for something, I might, want to make sure that I'm nice and strong and that my muscles are strong. What food group is salmon in? So it's a type of fish. And I think I'm going to finish it off with some cake. Oh yes. What food group do you think this is in? This is another one. I shouldn't eat too much of this, should I? Well, it's so good. I think I'm going to finish all of this one. Yeah, I'm going to finish all this one. What food group is this in? I'm going to go and finish my cake. Okay, bye you two.